Welcome back to a new video, guys. And in today's video, I am here at the store called Ike. You see, this is actually not the original color. The wall here actually used to be yellow. They have painted it white now. But anyway, let's go in. So here's basically my point of view. Sorry about that loud fan again. Shit, sorry, there was a fly. They have yet not brought back these double pairs of small arms. So actually, let's walk this way. Baby food. Sorry, sounds so funny. Baby food. Came a little bit. Right, guys, here's a smoke alarm. It's actually these kinds of smoke alarms. What? Why did I just? I meant burglar alarm. I call the burglar alarm a smoke alarm. I mean, these are the kind of burglar alarms that are used at my school. I've actually heard them off by accident once, and they are loud. I can tell you, they are really. I was in the difference. I had to turn my camera down to the ground because I walked past someone here. Sorry, the music from the speaker kind of startled me. So let's go. I should catch it before it closes. So let's keep walking around the place, see what around here. Too much for me to pick up. I want to buy just as much things that I want as possible without it costing way too much. You know? I want to be able to afford some crap. I'm just messing around. Very forward. That will literally just make it 50. I'm sorry, there was somebody there. I don't want to record other people. Since people, you know, not everybody has to be on camera. And I have to show respect for that, even though there are literally security cameras here. I'm gonna pause the recording for a bit. I don't know why, but these like orange things, hold on, like these orange things, they remind me of siren pizzas for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, so let's move on. I'll take one of these too. I love this hot chocolate. I'll take it again. Right, so guys, I'm taking the basket right now here. So, because it's getting kind of difficult for me to carry all of those things. It's getting difficult for me to carry everything. I just gotta buy a fly again. I'll stop recording for a bit now. Bye. Stella! I love Stella. Only person. And then I think that's it, so I'm not sure. I'll go pay soon. young aspiring shopper. Sorry, my hair is kind of. Sorry, my hair was in my mouth. Just record this side of that phone. She kind of had cowboy boots on. Anyway, bye for now. I'll see you later after I paid for this stuff. You're gonna pay for this. Bye. So, this is all the stuff I'll see you soon. Bye. Here's an alarm that I missed. I'll go pay for it. Bye. Anyway, so guys, now I'm at home, but the purchase at the store went successful. It costed 73 in Swedish value, but I paid with 75. And I had to grab this thing to be able to carry everything. And anyway, I bought these cheese balls, these cheese doodles, this Fanta, and then last but not least, this chocolate. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos from me, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.